Hello, in this video I'll be talking about data modeling, more specifically how we can use descriptive statistics and histogram in Excel to model data. In many applications of business analytics, we need to collect sample data of important variables. To gain an understanding of the distribution of these variables, we construct a frequency distribution, its corresponding histogram, compute basic descriptive statistical measures. Now let's do an example of such in Excel. Here we are given S&P 500 data from 2007 to 2013. Now we are asked to compute descriptive statistics of frequency distribution and histogram for the closing prices for a bin width of 25. In Excel, in order to calculate the descriptive statistics of any data range, we would first go into the Data tab and click Data Analysis. There we would choose Descriptive Statistics, which would then give us this dialog box. Now our input range is E6 to E1494, and then for our output range we would select this cell, we'd check off Summary Statistics, and that would generate our descriptive statistics. Here our column, we can relabel this as close price, and then just get rid of the 0. Now we have our descriptive statistics. Now from this, let's highlight the mean, median, and mode. Highlighting these, now let's create our bin range. Now, for our bin range, we are given the bin width of 25. So let's have our bin range starting from 700, since our minimum value is 676, and have it range up to 1700, since our maximum value is 1709. So putting down 700, 725, and 750, we can select this and drag it down till we get 1700, and that will be our bin range. Now to calculate the frequency distribution table, we would go back to the Data tab, we would pick Data Analysis, we would choose Histogram, and we would put our input range as E6 to E149. Our bin range would be H24 all the way down to our 1700. Our output range would be K6, which is this cell right here, and we would also check off chart output since we want to get a histogram as well, and then that would give us the frequency and the corresponding histogram, which we can move closer so we can see it a little better. Right, and from looking at the histogram, we can make a guess of what distribution this might fall under. So for the sake of this exercise, let's say this is a normal. Let's hypothesize that this is a normal distribution. Now we will be checking if it is actually a normal distribution or not later on when we cover chi-square goodness of fit test. And this covers formulating descriptive statistics, a frequency distribution table, and a histogram to model data in Excel.